Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about this knife and all of its practical uses. This is a pocket knife made out of metal, and I find it quite useful for cutting up stuff. For example, meat, or unlocking doors, which is also pretty convenient. You can even open bottles of your favorite red liquids. As you can see, I spilled some red liquid on this knife. Oh well. Anyways, as I was saying, this knife is really practical and very convenient for stabbing, for example, or slashing, or cutting open things. Let's say a torso, maybe of a human, or more accurately, an animal. Now, why am I saying this? Because it's nice to know, which is one of the very convenient benefits of this knife. I use it regularly, which is why I have no hate comments. Isn't that crazy? I know, you must be thinking, how can a knife do that? As I mentioned, this knife can open up doors. See? I just opened the door with this knife. Speaking of knives, this one can go underwater, which will be very convenient when I need to clean it from all this red wine. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.